This is Leofoto car window stabilizer and I am using it on my car Jeep Compass. On that car stabilizer I have mounted a Wimberley gimbal head and I am using it with 400mm f2.8 lens and a Nikon D500 camera. So the entire assembly is quite heavy. But I must say that this car stabilizer is capable of holding that much weight. My initial thoughts are positive and I am definitely going to use it for my future jungle expedition and my birding tours. By the way, if you are interested in purchasing, then it is available at Altaf Vali in Nagpur. I will link it in the description, and if you are interested in buying, then click on that link and you will have all the details. If you are a birder, it is very useful. Not only you have the flexibility of camera movement, but when you are sitting inside the car, it is actually as if you are using a bird hide. For jungle safari also it is very useful and I am definitely going to use it for my next jungle expedition. While driving, you need not worry about your camera and lens falling off because it has a very rigid support. But having said that, do not be complacent and do not use it on a very bumpy road and do not drive too fast. So this was my initial thought on this car stabilizer. In coming days, I will explore it more, and if I have some plus and minus points, I will prepare a video and share it with you. Keep exploring.